This is so comfortable, the new helmet. Instead of having the little baby helmet that I kept running.
Okay, I was about to say. I think it's new revenue too. Fucking beer sounds good. Yeah? And that it is. Beer sounds good? Natural light. Dude, you have bro, you drink at the clan meeting? Huh? You drink at the clan meeting? No, I drink it at the frat parties.
I could do the same thing.
It's a strawberry lemonade flavored beer. It's super good. I'm dead on serious. If you can see through it, it's not there. Okay, I like China also. And hey, the those back in there now. No! Get the fuck around. Alright, check it out. Play the game. Okay?
Is he not coming?
Connected phase game. Hope you guys remember it.
What?
We end up with 8.
The guy just went outside real fast, I think.
Yeah, we got 10. Now we have 8.
Okay, he's here. I don't know where the other guy is.
Victor, are you shooting? Alright, do we know what team we're on?
I don't think these two know.
He's on red, I know that.
He's on red. You?
I think you're on blue. You're both on red.
Hold on, how many are red? Right, raise of hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blue? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, look, check it out. Everybody pay attention. Okay?
Just pick a team, I guess.
We're going to play a 5-on-5, which is apparently 5-on-4, because Richard can't count. We'll play a 5-on-5 single elimination game over a neutral objective. Alright? Pretty simple. This is the bomb. Okay? It will be somewhere in the middle of the facility on Main Street. Alright? Now, to arm the bomb, you need to open the bomb and press and hold this button until it is done arming. You will then have 60 seconds to defend said bomb until it explodes. Okay? Now, defusing the bomb does not end the game. Does that make sense? Defusing the bomb does not end the game. The only way that the game is over is when the other team is eliminated or the bomb explodes or time expires. If time expires and the conditions are not met, that is a draw round where both teams win. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
What? Sure, just like C. That's what helps you understand it. I don't care. Alright. So, what's the difference here? When you get hit with a BB, you will lay on the ground like a dead person. Bonus points if you act out, get shot, and die. You may then call for a medic and your position. Anyone on your team can medic you with a real-world bloody medic of 10 seconds. That looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 real-world seconds. If you heal somebody in less than 10 seconds, and I witness it, I will make you start over. Does that make sense? Alright, cool. So, where does the bomb go? Great question. We're going to try some new locations today because the other times I've done it, it kind of makes sense, but it's not exactly easy. So, what we're going to do today, the red team, who's going to start in the A position, is going to want to get the bomb, and they're going to want to blow up the gun store. I hate that idea too. Red team's going to get the bomb, and they're going to go and put it in the greenhouse. Cool? Blue team wants to get the same bomb and put it in the White House. Cool? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready? You're on the blue team, right? So you're going to want to take the blue team, you're going to start here to B for blue. You're going to want to get the bomb and put it in the White House. And then plant it and protect it until it blows up. Okay? The red side, they're going to want to get the bomb and put it in the greenhouse. I know, I said it was a terrible idea. That's a terrible building.
You said it's press to hold to turn on. How do you
Only
diffuse?
building in this facility that has 2 doors.
That's the question.
Cool?
You said press and hold to turn to activate it. What about to diffuse?
Same thing.
Same thing. Okay.
Press and hold to diffuse. Alright? Let's roll.
Goodbye, losers. I'm just kidding. I don't know. What team are you on? Blue? Okay. Later.
Nobody fucking knows.
Hey, I'm going down Main Street. Just make sure you know what's coming out. I'm going down Main Street.
Hey, anyone has anti-fog? Anti-fog. I just got these goggles and they're like sweating. They're not even fogging, they're sweating.
Bro, I need my fucking black.
Oh, fuck yeah, they added these in here. I had an HPA guy hold me down on this hallway. Oh, yes. That motor is so good.
I'm going straight down Main Street because this way is the best way to come down to plane.
I want to take control of the White House before they can.
I'm coming here. I'm coming to A. I'm going Main Street.
We're going to drink.
Yeah, 3 people. Oh, yeah, 3 people.
What does the red light mean? Oh, that's so smart. Why is my team is just walking out there? Yeet yeet! Hey, are you ready to watch me dump babies? Wait, where the fuck is my... Oh, right. Ha! Ha!
Away, right? Yeah. And we both pull the trigger at maybe the same time.
Isn't that a parlay?
There's still at least a second and a half of flight time.
I know that.
If the bullet's still in the air, bro, it's still in the air.
I know that. Bro,
Because here's the thing. If I say, sure, if you shoot, it's the thing. If I say, sure, if you shoot him first, you don't have to call that hit. That would mean that now you're thinking way too much about what hits you should call instead of just calling all of them.
Never mind.
Always call.
I don't know what happened, but I'm just glad I was here.
Always call every hit. You want to?
See, I knew it was a good idea to flank.
Yeah. Okay, red team. You guys are moving to the B side. Blue team, you're moving to the A side. Your bomb location is the same.
I don't know where that is.
This one.
Oh, that's what you... I thought you meant where you're gonna put the bomb.
No, but you weren't going to put them on.
Oh, okay, that's good.
So red team goes in White House?
Our team is going that side. That's greenhouse. I'll speak.
Okay.
Watch your head. There we go. Ah, that won't save me. Guys, where's the spot? I'm lost. Hey guys, where's the spawn? I'm lost. Oh wait.
Hey, look, come here. Move it, team. Move it, team.
Ooh.
Going that way. Trust me.
What?
We're going to the White
We're
House.
gonna go together?
Yeah. Hey,
White House is that way, by the way.
We're gonna let them get the bomb. We're gonna disarm it and take it to them.
Guys, White House is actually this way.
Hey, meet me at White House. Meet me at the same spot.
White House, greenhouse.
Wait, what's our side?
We're
White House?
gonna, we're supposed to.
Ours is greenhouse.
Ours is that one. I just
Yeah, and I flanked White House and it was worth it.
Look.
We're supposed to play White House.
All right, look. Just go.
We'll figure it out while we go. I'll cover you.
Oh, color. Won't shot you. Hey. Ugh.
60 seconds. We have 60 seconds.
Don't shoot my boss. Fucking bomb. It's a very nice ceiling. I'm singing in the rain. Are you counting?
I think that's everybody on red.
Ah! Don't shoot my darts! Don't shoot my balls! Ah. Ah. I got to enjoy sitting on the ground. Huh? Where? Oh yeah, I saw you. I think I saw you running over there and I shot you, but I missed.
Switch sides. Switch sides.
Oh god, that's sweaty. Okay, wasn't feeding. What's happening, guys?
Look, come here. Look, because that's how hard to come out. Hey, look. 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 I'm gonna go down the middle, get the ball. Just.
Well, with the foggy glasses, I gotta stay close quarters because I can't do shit.
No, I'm gonna go straight because it's easy to get the bomb from this side.
Where the fuck is the bomb anyways?
On the top of the thing.
Okay, shouldn't we be in the thing?
Yeah, come on. Hey,
Good.
Bingo. Come on, hurry. Go push up in. So look, I'm gonna go get it. Hey, y'all just cover me. I'm gonna get it now.
Just make like last time? Yeah. You just open it up and hold it.
You want me to distract?
Huh?
Got a flashlight and I can distract.
Yeah, hey, look.
Let me go through first.
Oh.
I'll keep lights on. I'm gonna head a bit left. Ah, shit. Sorry. Oh, shit. Hey! Oh, shit. This is Lance. I'm dead down here. Lance! Where's Lance? You dropped your phone, Lance. I hope it was already cracked.
It was already cracked.
Oh, okay. I saw it. For a half a second I saw the red and I already pulled the trigger. I'm like, fuck.
You don't really, I was at 1, 2, and 3.
Ah, yeah, I know. I fucked you up.
Man.
God damn, this thing keeps getting undone.
Remember that one? I went along here and I saw him over the corner. He got the one that you do. You got it. Yeah, he's looking at that. You know that shit. They had 5, you have 4. I don't know, but I think that's cool. What's that?
Is that it? It's funny. Full auto does less than semi. Huh?
Depends on your trigger finger.
Yeah, that's what's great about it.
I gotta find it.
I should